My one question here is, I mean, you're an absolute killer on the phones. There's no way of lying. What is one thing someone can take away that maybe they're struggling talking to sellers on the phone? What is the one quick gem, tip, nugget, whatever you want to call it, for someone that maybe they're nervous on the phone or they have a difficulty closing on the phone? What could you give to them?
Yeah, so I would say follow a script. And I think most people have the perspective like, hey, I don't need a script, or I don't want to use a script because I don't want to sound like a robot, or da 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 da. The script is one of the most critical pieces of the process. All right. And so, my advice would be to find a good quality script that hits all the spots and to rely on that in how you communicate to your sellers. And you're not interviewing the seller when you speak with them. So you're not calling the seller and doing a job interview. You're calling the seller and having a conversation, and your script is the framework that you're using to make sure that you're hitting all the spots in the conversation. The goal of a good cold calling script is to gather information. Like, that's the goal, right? Like, I'm talking to Zach on the phone. This is my first time reaching out to him. My goal right now is to gather as much information from Zach as possible about his situation, about his property, about the repairs that it might need, why he wants to sell it, when he wants to sell it. And then it gives me everything I need to have ammunition to negotiate, to renegotiate when needed, to build rapport, all these different things. So my advice would be for you guys to really find a good script, lock in on that script, and make sure you're actually using it when you're making calls.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.